Did you know that a surprising number of people right here in America, a country known for its scientific advancements, still believe that the Earth is flat? It's true. About 10% of Americans hold this belief, showcasing a fascinating disconnect between observable reality and personal convictions. But how is this possible in the age of information and scientific progress? This phenomenon isn't just an oddity, it's a symptom of larger issues surrounding how we process information and form our beliefs. To understand why some people cling to the idea of a flat Earth, we need to delve into the history of this belief, the psychology behind conspiracy theories, and the role of modern communication in spreading misinformation. This isn't just about debating the shape of our planet. It's about understanding the human tendency to embrace ideas that challenge established norms, even when overwhelming evidence contradicts them. It's about the power of groupthink and the allure of belonging to a community that shares your views, no matter how unconventional they may be. So, buckle up as we explore the curious case of flat earthers, not to ridicule their beliefs, but to understand the complex factors that contribute to such perspectives. In doing so, we might just learn something valuable about ourselves and the world around us, and how we navigate our beliefs. The belief that the Earth is flat is not new. It is an idea that has been around for centuries, deeply rooted in the annals of human history. It predates modern science, finding its roots in ancient civilizations that lacked the tools and knowledge to accurately observe and interpret the natural world. These early societies relied on their immediate perceptions and limited technology. However, with the advent of scientific exploration and advancements in astronomy, the spherical nature of our planet became an undeniable fact. The work of astronomers and explorers provided concrete evidence that challenged and eventually debunked the flat Earth theory. Despite this, the flat Earth theory experienced a resurgence in the mid-20th century, fueled by a growing distrust of authority and institutions, including the scientific community. This period saw a rise in skepticism towards established facts and figures. This distrust, often rooted in social and political anxieties, created fertile ground for alternative explanations of the world, even if those explanations lacked empirical support. People began to question the very foundations of accepted knowledge. The rise of the internet and social media in the late 20th and early 21st centuries further amplified this trend. These platforms allowed for the rapid spread of information, both accurate and misleading. Online platforms provided a global stage for flat earthers to connect, share their beliefs, and recruit new members. The internet became a powerful tool for the dissemination of their ideas. With the ability to easily disseminate information, regardless of its veracity, the internet became a breeding ground for conspiracy theories, including the notion of a flat Earth. Memes and viral content played a significant role in spreading these ideas. This resurgence highlights the persistence of certain beliefs even when confronted with overwhelming evidence to the contrary. It shows how deeply ingrained some ideas can be, despite scientific advancements. It underscores the human tendency to seek out information that confirms our existing biases, a phenomenon known as confirmation bias. This bias influences how we interpret and accept information. In the case of flat earthers, this means selectively accepting information that supports their worldview while dismissing or rationalizing away any evidence that contradicts it. This selective acceptance reinforces their beliefs and creates an echo chamber effect. The question remains, why are some people drawn to conspiracy theories like the flat Earth theory? The answer lies in a complex interplay of psychological and social factors. One key factor is the desire for understanding and control in a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable. Conspiracy theories offer simplistic explanations for complex events, providing a sense of order and predictability. They appeal to our innate need to make sense of the world around us, especially when faced with uncertainty or fear. For some, believing that a powerful group or entity is orchestrating events, even if those events are negative, is more comforting than accepting the randomness of life. Moreover, subscribing to a conspiracy theory can provide a sense of belonging and identity. It allows individuals to feel like they are in the know, privy to secret knowledge that most people are not. This sense of exclusivity can be alluring, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose among believers. Conspiracy theories also tap into our natural skepticism, which, while healthy in moderation, can be taken to an extreme. When distrust in authority figures and institutions runs high, individuals may be more likely to reject official narratives and embrace alternative explanations, regardless of their plausibility. This distrust is often exacerbated by social media algorithms that create echo chambers, exposing users only to information that aligns with their existing beliefs. This constant reinforcement of pre-existing notions can make it difficult for individuals to objectively evaluate new information, further entrenching them in their beliefs. The allure of conspiracy theories is a multifaceted phenomenon, deeply rooted in human psychology and social dynamics. While the flat Earth theory persists, the scientific evidence supporting a spherical Earth is overwhelming and irrefutable. The notion of a flat Earth is an ancient belief that has been debunked through centuries of scientific inquiry and observation. Centuries of observations, experiments, and technological advancements have confirmed beyond any reasonable doubt that our planet is indeed a sphere, albeit not a perfect one. The Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator due to its rotation. One of the simplest pieces of evidence comes from observing ships sailing over the horizon. This phenomenon has been noted by sailors and explorers for centuries. As a ship disappears hull first, then mast last, it demonstrates that the Earth's surface is curved. This observation is consistent and can be replicated by anyone near a large body of water. If the Earth were flat, the entire ship would simply shrink in size as it moved farther away. This is a fundamental principle that can be easily understood and observed. Furthermore, the Earth's curvature can be observed from airplanes, high-altitude balloons, and even from the ground by measuring the different angles of shadows cast by objects at different latitudes. This was famously demonstrated by the ancient Greek philosopher Eratosthenes. The fact that different constellations are visible from different parts of the world also supports a spherical Earth. This is because the curvature of the Earth changes the angle at which we view the stars, as does the existence of time zones and the Coriolis effect, which influences weather patterns. These phenomena are direct results of the Earth's rotation and spherical shape. Modern technology, such as satellites and GPS systems, relies on the Earth's spherical shape for accurate navigation and communication. These systems are designed based on the principles of a round Earth. These technologies simply wouldn't work if the Earth were flat. The calculations and algorithms used in these systems depend on the curvature of the Earth. The sheer volume and consistency of evidence from multiple scientific disciplines make it virtually impossible to deny the Earth's spherical nature. This evidence comes from fields such as astronomy, physics, and geology. Despite this, flat earthers often dismiss this evidence as fabricated or part of a larger conspiracy orchestrated by governments, scientists, and other powerful entities. They believe that the truth is being hidden from the public. This unwavering belief in the face of overwhelming evidence to the contrary highlights the powerful grip that conspiracy theories can have on the human mind. It shows how deeply ingrained and resistant to change these beliefs can be.